Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April the 28th, 2020. It is day 20 on our CMS Learning Guide. Tomorrow you will start with a new packet. Those packets are available online. I will send out the link, and I will still continue to upload the videos each day, and it'll be just like we have been doing. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about animal diets. Yesterday I had you make a plate. I gave you the challenge of making a plate, drawing a plate, and drawing healthy items to eat on there, items that would give you energy. We have to eat. Everybody needs to take in food in order to survive. Okay, and we want to put good foods into our bodies, and animals also have to eat. So there are different types of there's three different categories that animals are classified into based on what they eat. You have herbivores. Herbivores only eat plants. Okay. Then you have omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat plants and animals. All right. So they would be a plant eater, but also they would eat meat. Okay. So and then we have carnivores, and carnivores only eat meat. They only eat other animals. It could be fish or it could be small animals. Think about some of the birds that we studied, guys. Some of those birds, some birds are carnivores and eat meat. Some birds are omnivores and eat both. Okay, and then you have birds that only eat plants and they only eat fruits and seeds and stuff like that. So you are going to make a chart. It's going to look like this: animal diets. Sorry, animal diet. And you see the first category is herbivore. That's an animal that only eats plants. Okay, that animal would eat something like grass. Then you would have an animal that's an omnivore. Okay, and that animal eats plants and animals. So I listed things that they could eat, maybe fruit and mice. Okay, think about an animal that would eat small mice. And then you have a carnivore. A carnivore would only eat other animals. Okay, it's gonna be a predator. It's only gonna eat, and I put down mice. So what I would like for you to do today is I would like for you to think about these three different animal diets and list some things that animals eat. And you can also list animals that you think would go in those categories. Okay, so list things that these animals would eat in these for these animal diets: herbivore, plants; omnivore, plants and animals; and then your carnivore, only eating other animals, like a meat eater. Okay, so think of it that way. And challenging question, think about yourself. What are you? Are you a carnivore or an omnivore or herbivore? Think about yourself. Think about what you are as well. Okay. And I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a wonderful day.